Lambo's going crazy, that Ferrari GTS is going nuts. All the satin black kind of cars right here. We voluntarily parked in the poverty section over here because this is already freaking busy, dude. The event starts at 10. It is 9:45. That's awesome, man. Wow.
Want to go grab coffee?
It's crazy. We just parked here now. Everybody's going over to look at our cars, the S4 and the M3, something like that. I love this color on the 3RS. I don't think I've seen that one. No, that was out at the events this weekend.
It's the one that came out to race last night and didn't race because
yes. That is correct. This STO I've seen a couple times too now. It's sweet. I was just telling Carson that I've seen a LaFerrari down here before. And look what spawns in. What a treat. Blue Urus Perf STO 720S STO 3RS. The lineup. Carson, what's your favorite car here?
I
Gotta pick one.
I like this Jeep.
What is your actual favorite car here?
I have no idea.
You're like the guest judge on like any cooking show.
I haven't looked at any of them yet. We just got here.
That is true. We'll give a minute to meander around, and then
like this
our
3RS.
guest judge is going to give us a verdict
I
here.
like that a lot.
3RS.
So far, yeah.
So here we are in the poverty section with myself, Carson. Nice little Gen 1 Gallardo, and then this M5 that parked next to Carson here has sweet wheels. Check out the little BBS action. Very different red than the orange here. R8 Cullinan, another M5. And then this little lineup over here with the satin black cars. I got to take like a quick shot of all three of these. So cool. These guys rolled in together. So satin black crew, and then GTR Pista. I don't even know what this car is. Absolutely wild. Carson, what are your mirror caps doing on this car? It's your mirror caps, dude. Yeah. All right, we did a lap. Do we have a verdict?
Still like the 3RS.
The 3RS? Over the Loft?
I mean, it's a cool car.
Oh. No, I like the green. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the car to clean. Somebody's coming to look at the car tomorrow, potentially to buy it because it is for sale. I put an Instagram post out there listing my car. It is on Facebook Marketplace, and I haven't really posted on YouTube yet that it is officially for sale. So consider this your update. The S4 is posted, it is listed, it is for sale. So if you're watching this and you want to buy it, leave a comment, hit me up, send me a DM. It's bittersweet, but I've had it for almost 3 years, and I think it's just time to move on to something else. It's been an amazing daily driver for that amount of time. I haven't done any mods to it really in like 2 years. As much as I love the car, I'm just ready. So, like I said, washing the car today and cleaning the garage. Got a bit of a mess here. Got the grill out, got the vacuum out. Gonna use the vacuum today during the cleaning process. Got the bike out, just like spider webs everywhere. I haven't been in the garage in a couple weeks, so gonna get everything kind of organized and set up, but a wash is definitely on the to-do list for today. What I'm gonna do first is clean up this garage though and get everything kind of prepped, get my detailing studio ready for action. Part of me hopes this is the last time I clean it. I want to sell the car, but part of me is like, man, I hope this isn't the last time I wash my car. And then the other part of me is like, man, I just listed it for sale. So I know a couple videos ago I said I wasn't planning on selling the car. Here we are, I guess. Working up a bit of a sweat here, but the car is clean, looking amazing. prepped, ready for a potential sale tomorrow. Guys, if you clicked on the video, you probably saw the thumbnail. The M3 competition is also for sale. Yes, I know Carson just bought the car. He had an opportunity come up, and I'm incredibly proud of him. He is absolutely crushing it in life. The M3, the timing just does not make sense for him, unfortunately, and if you're close friends with Carson, you probably know why, but if you're not, it's not really my news to share, not my story to tell. So the main thing is the M3 does not make sense for him to own right now. So with that said, it is for sale. The car is listed on Facebook Marketplace. He's trying to sell it pretty aggressively right now, so it's priced to sell. If you guys are looking for an M3 competition, F80, that's the one, man, it's for sale. He got a pretty tempting offer from Carvana, so if it's not sold by, I think, September 12th, he said, he's just gonna get rid of it. So I would hate for that to happen because it's such a nice, tastefully modified car. I want it to go to a car enthusiast, so if you want an M3 comp, hit him up. If you want an S4 Premium Plus, absolutely baby, taken care of, washed weekly, ceramic coated, PPF'd, you name it, this car has it. This is a sad video for me to make, and I went back and forth, like debating what I want to do, and there's just a couple things that I want to do in my life that it would make sense right now for me to sell a car. And it's not saying I'm leaving the car stuff, I'm gonna quit YouTube. That's not even close. So don't get that in your head. But just like the S5, it was time to move on to another platform. And while I do not have a sale 100% right now, it's likely to sell probably the next week or so. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for either car, please hit me up. Yeah, this is a weird one to make. Will this be the last time I wash the car and detail it? Perhaps. Life goes on, you know. It was cool. Carson came down and surprised me for the Woodward Dream Cruise weekend. So we got some content with his car. We did like 3 different Cars and Coffees. There was one at the out of office garage, Cars and Coffee. There was one at Jirachi & Jewelers on Sunday, and then the Woodward Dream Cruise, obviously. Tons of content there. That was my last video if you guys missed it. That was a cool one. So I kind of split that into like 1.5 videos. There was just so much stuff that we couldn't fit into one. And I think that video ended up being almost 20 minutes long anyways. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the content. Like I said, it's not going away. We're gonna be doing a lot of other car stuff here. Summer's not even over yet. We're getting into kind of early fall football season starting. So a lot of fun stuff to come. Just turning the chapter a bit. So that's the update from me, guys. The S4. Appreciate you guys watching the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit like for the algorithm. Again, just hit 30,000 subscribers on the channel. So subscribe if you guys are new. Hit me up if you want to buy either car. Till the next video, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you.